So we always wanted to control appliances at home while we were away, and with the advent and access to smartphones like Android and iPhones, we wanted to build a solution through which users could control their home appliances like lamps or lights while they were away. So what we have chosen here is a microcontroller, an 8-bit microcontroller called Arduino Uno, which is connected to various solders LEDs, as you can see, and the microcontroller is connected to the Ethernet using Ethernet shield right now, and is powered by a 9 volts DC input. What we have also built is a small iPhone app which the users can download from the iOS App Store, use their Facebook credentials to log in. So let me quickly log into the app using my Facebook credentials. So once I have logged in, as you can see, the user is given a lot of options to control and to see a lot of details of home appliances, what we call as smart home. So the user can control lights, can control television, can get data about the temperature, can also get data about the kind of power consumption at home, control the music systems, etc. What we will do today is control the lamp through our iPhone. Let's add the Arduino that is connected to the lamp using its unique identifier, which is 45674. Let's name it test. So once I have added the Arduino, as you can see, it gets listed. I can add one or many such Arduinos. Let's try and control the lamp through my iPhone now. So the moment I say on, toggle on my phone, as you can see, the lamp starts to glow, and the moment I say off, I am able to remotely control the lamp through my phone. There are more cool features that we have built into the app, like adding friends and family who can control home appliances in cases where you are away and you would like them to control electric equipments at home. So let's create a group real quick here and add some friends to that group. Let's call it friends. Add a couple of friends, and ideally these friends, when they download the same app and they try to log in through their Facebook and go to the co-own tab, they will be able to see a screen very similar to this, and as you can see, they will also be able to see the details of the Arduino, etc., and even they will be able to switch on or off the device remotely. Once we are able to control the lights remotely through our iPhone devices, we also wanted to kind of change colors and do some jazzy stuff. So what we have built is the other feature, more so in the television arena. So the app basically is kind of a second screen app where not only can you see information about the content that you are viewing, in this case the movies, but you could also control lightings in your drawing hall while you are watching movies. So let's say I log into HBO. These are all the movies that would be playing at that time on HBO. I could check into any one of these movies, in this case an action movie called Fast and Furious. So once I check in, as you can see, the color of the lamp changes. Basically the ambient lighting kicks in, and based on what content the user is viewing, the color changes. And if I am viewing, let's say, a drama, I would want a different light. So let's check in, and there you go, you see the light of the color is now purple. Wherein if I am watching a comedy movie, I would like maybe a different color. So let's try and log into or check into Hangover. There you see the color of the light is now green. So all of this has come together with a solution running on the cloud, as shown in the diagram here. We have the node server and the Socket.io running on the AWS cloud. The iPhone app or the Android app would communicate with the servers using RESTful APIs running over HTTP, and the node server communicates with Arduino using Socket.io on a persistent connection using JSON data, and then the Arduino further communicates to the different home appliances like the lamp in this case. The app also is integrated with various open source APIs like Facebook, Yahoo Weather, Google Maps, TVDB, Movies Info, etc. to collaborate and collect all this information as you saw in the demo, and connect via the node servers all the way back to the home appliances. So all of this, we call it Simplify. Thank you so much.